I'm Shobha, an academic excellence teacher. I work with children and I have been doing the EFT with kids, the smallies, which are there. We have got around 90 kids with us, all from, they're the marginalized kids from the Bastis. And I wanted to go in depth with this EFT. So I just went online and the first name that splashed up was Vitality College. So immediately I called up and I got Riddhi, and from then on there was no looking back. And yes, not knowing exactly what we are going to get here, but only the word EFT made me get all my entire group, my friends, my teachers, my colleagues for this program, and I'm happy they've all come and they've read. And it was an excellent, awesome, and yes, my hands go up even now. That's the healing I got today, and I can hold it. So it's hands up and thumbs up for EFT through Vitality.